guys, today we're going to be making Flappy Fish in Scratch. So first we're going to delete the cat. Then we're going to go and we're going to choose a character. Maybe we can use a shark or we'll just use a fish. So we'll go to animals and fish. So now we don't need these other costumes, so I'm gonna delete. I want this one. So first we're gonna code the fish. But first we need to make a few variables. I'm gonna go to variables and make a variable. And we're gonna name this speed. For this sprite only. I'll press OK. Now we're gonna go in green flag collect, set speed to 0. And then since this fish is too small, we'll go to looks and set size to, let's say, 50. No, we'll set it to 75. Perfect. Now, we need to make this so that it has gravity and it doesn't even drop down or go up when I press space. So we're gonna go to motion, and then first we're gonna go to 0, 0. Now we're gonna go to control and drag out repeat until. Change Y speed by speed. So we're gonna go change Y by, and we're gonna go variables and drag out speed. Now we're gonna go change speed by minus 0.2. Good. Now we need to make some obstacles. So first we're gonna make some obstacles after we make the fish jump. So we're gonna go to events, drag out when key space pressed, and then change speed by 6. That's cool, right? But it jumps really high, so I'm going to change that to 3. Right. Good. Now, good. Now we're gonna go and make some obstacles. So first, we're gonna go to choose paint the sprite. I'm just gonna make a blue square. And go really far down, and then we're going to change the color to another color. Hold on. We're going to change the color to another color. And make the top. You don't have to do that, it's just to be fancy. So, now we're going to copy this and paste it. And then we're gonna flip it vertically. Now, here is our space. Now, just to test, we'll make sure this fish can That's good enough. So we're gonna go back to Sprite and we're gonna rename this to pipes. Now we're gonna go back to our fish code and we're gonna drag in sensing. We're gonna go to sensing and touching color, and we're gonna change it to the color of the pipe. This one. And we'll go to sensing again, or operators, and then drag our or. And then touch and color this color or this color. Good. Now, we're gonna go to the pipes. And we're gonna be using a lot of operators in the pipes. So, when if I clicked set size to, well, we don't need that since this is fine. So go to X 240 and Y pick random minus 50 to 50. Now we're gonna go do control and repeat until touching Sprite 1, which is the fish. And then move minus 10 steps. Now we're going to go to events or operators and drag out if then X position and then operators and then is smaller than 50 or minus 230. Then we're gonna go to X 240 and Y pick random minus 100 to 100. And then we're gonna go back to the fish. We're gonna hide the speed. So let's see. If X position is smaller than minus 240, and you see it only goes around once. So this, it should not say minus 240, it should say minus 214. So if we change that, well, you can see it goes around more than once. So now this will work.